All right, well, we're back in Millis here, undisclosed 43 lot subdivision. There was some updates and improvements since the last time some progress was made. And it also, if you take a look over there, looks like they're flattening out one of the other lots to get ready to dig out the foundation. So let's go inside and I'll take you through and show you what updates have been made. There we go. All right, so we come in through the front door, staircase leading up to the second story. I think the last time you saw this, I think it was only like half the hardwood floor was in and the fireplace was kind of put in, but it wasn't tiled as it is now. Really nice tile work there. And it bumps out as opposed to the other home. Those were recessed fireplace, but as you can see, nice cathedral ceilings all the way up, nice large window at the top to let in the natural light. All hardwood floor, all stained. Kitchen cabinets are in. I believe these are not quartz. I believe these are granite, but I'm not 100% sure. So you're going to have your sink there, fridge, stove, whatnot around the corner. I know the garage is over here, and I think this is just a storage area if I remember correctly. Oh no, you got a half bath and two closets. One, as you can see, already has the white wire racking in. And this is going to be the half bath. So now take a quick pop up the stairs and show you what progress has been made up there. So here we are coming up to the second floor. As you can see, it overlooks the two-story living room. This is just kind of a little loft space, some extra space to put, table, chairs, whatever you like. 3 on the smaller side bedrooms, but all carpeting. The carpeting was put in. The molding, baseboard rather, was put in. All 3 kind of look pretty much the same. I'll take you around the corner here. Full bath, single vanity sink, commode, shower, tub, stall. Down here, it's all dark. No electricity's run to this yet, but that is the laundry room. And then across here is a little closet area. Across here is the grand suite, the master suite here. This is overlooking the backyard area, or that will be a yard eventually. Not so much right now, since it's still everything's under construction. His and her closets on the left and right, and then the master bath. This has the dual vanity sink, commodes over there. Tile work has been done. As you can see, sink top has been done. Tile work in the shower has been completed as well. Looks like this is going to be a fairly standard shower head. It's not the rainfall, but that's also what you would expect at this price point. These, if you recall, are starting around $850. So that's about it on this one, and we'll see you next time.